My brother, my sister, you think Allah is silent, don't you? But what if I told you the silence isn't rejection, it's the sound of your biggest blessing being prepared. You're not forgotten. You're being hidden. My brother, my sister, I know your heart is heavy tonight. I know you're tired of waiting, tired of praying, tired of hoping. You've begged Allah with hands shaking. You've cried silently into your pillow when no one could see. And yet, nothing seems to move. Nothing seems to change. It feels like you're standing still while the world around you keeps rushing forward. You see people smiling. You see them achieving. You see them holding what you've been praying for. And you whisper quietly, Ya Allah, what about me? You wonder, has Allah forgotten me? But listen to me carefully. No, He hasn't. He never has. He never will. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. You are being hidden. Hidden because what Allah is preparing for you is far too sacred to be revealed too soon. Sometimes Allah hides you because He is protecting you from people who cannot handle the weight of where He is taking you. He hides your name until it is safe to be spoken in rooms you haven't entered yet. He hides your efforts until the right moment when they bloom into results that silence everyone who doubted you. He hides your heart until it is safe in the hands of the one He has chosen for you. Right now, it hurts. It feels lonely. It feels unfair. But this silence, this pause, in this hiding is not neglect. It is divine strategy. My brother, my sister, do you know why Allah hides you? Because there are blessings being built for you that require silence. There are doors being prepared that cannot open yet. Because what waits behind them is too great to be revealed too soon. You see, the blessing Allah has written for you isn't small. It isn't ordinary. It isn't something anyone can understand, and not everyone can handle watching it arrive. That is why Allah keeps you hidden from unnecessary noise, hidden from unnecessary people, hidden from hands that would try to reach for what is not theirs. You're not overlooked. You're being protected. Every unanswered dua you've whispered, every silent tear you've cried, every night you lay awake wondering if you've been forgotten. All of it has been seen. All of it has been counted. All of it is being used to build something greater than what you're asking for. There are things you think you want right now, people, places, opportunities, but Allah knows your future. He knows who would break you, who would betray you, who would waste you. So He closes doors. He delays answers. He removes people quietly. Not because you're unworthy, but because what He has written for you cannot be shared with those who are not meant to witness it. You're not stuck. You're being positioned. Look around at your life right now. Everything that feels still, everything that feels delayed, everything that feels quiet, it's not without reason. Your silence right now is sacred. Your hiding right now is purposeful. Your waiting right now is building something inside you that you cannot yet see, because Allah isn't just preparing the blessing. He's preparing you for the blessing. One day, you'll understand why you had to stay hidden. One day, you'll realize why certain people were removed before they could hurt you. One day, you'll see why Allah closed doors you were begging Him to open. And in that moment, when His plan finally unfolds, you'll whisper through your tears, Subhanallah, Ya Allah, you were protecting me all along. The delay you hate is the door you need. My brother, my sister, I know how heavy your heart feels right now. I know you've been praying for something, begging Allah for it, crying for it. waking up at night just to whisper His name. And yet, nothing. Nothing has moved. Nothing has changed. Every time you thought the door would finally open, it closed. Every time you thought relief was near, it slipped further away. And now, deep inside, you wonder, why, Ya Allah? Why are you delaying this for me? Why do I feel stuck? While the world around me keeps moving forward? Listen to me carefully. What you see as delay is actually direction. What feels like Allah holding you back is Allah pushing you forward, just not through the door you expected. You see, there are doors we want, and there are doors Allah knows we need. Sometimes the thing you're begging Him to give you is smaller than the blessing He's preparing. Sometimes what you're holding onto so tightly is not where your soul will thrive. So He delays, not to punish you, not to forget you, but to protect you from a life you cannot yet see, and to prepare you for one you cannot yet imagine. Think about this. If Allah gave you everything you asked for, exactly when you asked for it, you would never discover the hidden paths that lead you to something greater. Sometimes Allah delays the marriage you want because He's writing a love story that doesn't begin yet. Sometimes He delays the job you dream about because He's crafting a position that fits not just your skills, but your destiny. Sometimes He delays removing the hardship because that hardship is shaping the strength you'll need to carry what's coming. Right now you're focused on speed, but Allah is focused on direction. You want soon, He wants right. And that difference is everything. The blessing you're waiting for is not just about what you want. It's about who you're becoming in the waiting. Because Allah isn't only preparing the blessing, He's preparing you.